In weird nature, real animal behavior is set against human backdrops. They give astonishing insights. The spiral tusk of the unicorn has been traced to a white whale, just as wonderful as the legend. The narwhal uses its twisted horns in jousts like a medieval knight. The mermaid's forked tail belongs to the dugong. Half seen, its body and face can appear surprisingly human. The devilfish is a manta ray. They leap to shed parasites and then briefly glide like phantom craft. Weird nature takes you into a world where imaginary human settings showcase animal behavior that is absolutely real. What is weird is best defined when compared to our own lives. Our first weird journey shows the wonderful ways that animals move. Life began in the oceans. This imaginary wreck brings together some early forms of motion. Jellyfish are the only animal to move by wafting water through a pulsating skirt. But such graceful jet propulsion is no match for the tides. A strange ancient mollusk improved the concept. The nautilus jets water through a siphon that can move to control direction. It controls depth by regulating gas in a series of buoyancy chambers in its shell. Flame scallops jet propel by clapping their shells like castanets. They jet water from either side of their hinge. They dance to escape predators or to find new places. The Spanish dancer's technique is more elegant. It flamencos by rippling the ribbons along its body. The frills of its costume are actually gills, and despite its romantic name, it's really a sea slug. The seahorse can't move its armored body in sinuous waves like other swimming fish. Instead, a fin that quivers 20 times a second whirs it around. Shimmering side fins act as steering propellers. Jointed legs were an exciting new movement in evolution. Spiny lobsters used them to conga. Their procession provides safety in numbers as they move to deeper water to avoid winter storms. The slipstream from the leader cuts drag for those behind. Legs helped animals make the next evolutionary step. Today we prefer faster options. But legs have been in vogue since the first amphibians crawled from the sea. They dragged their bodies along using 4 legs splayed to the side. In California, the Mount Lyell salamander uses its tail as a 5th leg to negotiate the Sierra Nevada mountainside. They are also special in more human terms. The wheel was hailed as one of our greatest inventions. But as these creatures prove, we were simply reinventing it. Rolling is the quickest way down a hill, as this salamander has discovered. It's designed to flex like a rubber tire so it doesn't feel the bumps. The pearl moth caterpillar is common, but its talent for doing wheelies is a new discovery. It rolls with its caterpillar track on the inside. Salamanders and caterpillars were born to rock and roll, so this behavior is second nature. The salamander's more normal motion can cause problems for heavier creatures that move in the same way. For the early reptiles, crawling along the ground was literally a drag. Crocodiles had an odd solution. Walking on stilts cuts friction on rough ground, but the splayed feet have to rotate forward to take a step. It may be slow, but it saves energy, and most crocs use this stiff-legged walk whenever the going gets rough. The Australian freshwater croc shows an even stranger gait when provoked by predators such as the saltwater croc. It gallops, but not like any other animal. Its front feet work together in opposite motion to the back. As the front feet hit the ground, the back swing forward. When the back push away, the front reach out. Galloping horses were once painted like this. In truth, only freshwater crocs run in this seesaw way. It can reach 15 miles an hour and easily leap to safety. Evolution has taken many weird twists and turns.